Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to share with you my entry for the 2020 Organization DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the lovely Christina over at the DIY Mommy. Please be sure to see the description below for the playlist and check out all the lovely videos that have also been posted. Let's get started. In order to be productive and motivated, you need to be organized, at least a little bit. Well, for this, I've decided to use this cellophane wrap, and it comes in this pretty designs. I have taken just one sheet and I've stuck it onto the wall with sellotape. I go on Google and type 20 free calendar. Click on images, and here you have plenty of options. Scroll through, see which I like. I have a black and white printer, so I prefer to choose a black and white design. Something that has a little space wherein I can add my notes. So this is June. Okay. Childhood 101. Okay. Where did I go back? Seem to have made a mistake. Hey, this looks nice. January. No, the numbers to be a bit more clearer. I think this should do. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this and open image in new tab. Okay, this looks good. Click, save image. It's getting saved. Open it, print, fit picture to frame. I think this should look nice, and I'm giving it a print. I'm going to attach a memo board. For this, you can use a photo frame, but I've chosen a scrap piece of cardboard from the box and I'm going to cushion it with the sheet of sponge and wrap the whole thing up with this marble contact paper. I have decided to go the easy route and sellotape it, since it is just lightweight in this cardboard. You can use either hot glue, or you can even use Fevicol, but it will take some time to dry. I've added two on this side and one more across, just for good measure. And now I'm going to just remove the backing from this contact paper. And place it on top and wrap it around. I secured the edges with more sellotape, and that's it. Now let's give it a try. Ta-da! Since it's lightweight, I'm going to just secure it with sellotape and attach it. I have already attached my I took an empty soap container, wrapped it with more of this marble contact paper and attached it to make it into a pen stand. When you have some contact paper, don't throw away the scraps. You can always use them for smaller projects like these. Took away the backing and wrapped it. That's it. Now I'm going to just apply some hot glue. And before the glue dries, I'm attaching it. As you can see, I've also attached a scrapbook, a tear-off pad. I've attached it to cardboard with hot glue, and I've attached the whole thing to this paper with hot glue again. Just hold it for some time till the glue dries. And that's it. That's it. Your DIY memo board is ready. I have my calendar. I have my to-do list that I can either fix it with sellotape or I can pin it up on my board. And I have my notepad, and I have a place for my pens, and I can use it to write any notes, jot down notes. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Until next time, take care, God bless, and bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Thank you, Christina, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to binge watch and enjoy the other organization videos in the playlist. Until next time, bye-bye.